If you want to add tickets to Apple Wallet from Ticketmaster, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. After you bought your seat and made the reservation and everything, what you're gonna do, go ahead to the official website of Ticketmaster. And as you can see, after you buy your tickets, you're gonna go to My Event in your Ticketmaster account, and then select your ticket, and then you're gonna be able to see a button to add it to your Apple Wallet, right? It's like making a seat or a booking for a flight, and you're gonna be able to see in each app that you took a flight on the add to Apple Wallet as a wallet, so you can scan it on your way in. So as you can see right here, the standard seat, and after you add it to your Apple Wallet, basically it's easy from there. You're gonna be able to click the double thumb when you're asked for the ticket confirmation. So when you want to verify your ticket. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. And if you want to know, go ahead to the wallet, okay? In here you're gonna be able to see all of your tickets, and if you want to remove it, you're gonna be able to select the credit card or debit card or the ticket for that matter, okay? And you're gonna see the information. You can click the three dots and then at the top right, and then click the card details, right? And you can remove the card or the ticket from your Apple Wallet app. So don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.